Yabang mo. Mapamemang pa. Pero, nagsabi.
Ang kanyang alikain sa pagtulong at pagsulong sa mga
Siraon.
ay nagsindi sa pagkakalito.
Wala.
Ang kanyang magandang pamamamala at mga bilang na parangal ay tunay na pamamamala.
Nasaan na kamay natin?
Mark Villar is the government of the Lower District of Laguna. He belongs to a family of public servants. The most distinguished are his parents, former Senator Manny Villar and Senator Sylvia Villar. Following their footsteps and heading the call, he has received his overwhelming mandate during the last May 2013 elections. As part of the majority bloc in assist progress in the House of Representatives.
Dito ka lang.
He is the chairman of the Committee of Trade and Industry.
Kalapit mo sila doon, baby. Dali, kalapit mo. Kalapit mo sila.
Vice chairman to the committees on overseas workers,
Bitawan mo siya po.
and technology.
Bitawan mo.
He earned his bachelor's
Lalo tayo po, lalo tayo.
political science and philosophy from the University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia, USA. Taking inspiration from his father's mantra of Sipa